You got no tissue in there? Come on, get that pen. You still?
Hey, and welcome back to the channel. As y'all see, I've been itching to test out the outdoor kitchen and see how the real galley works. And also, the kids are ready to come to the van. They're on lunch break right now, so I decided to come out and test out the kitchen. It's like 2 for 1. They wanted to come out, we wanted to test out the kitchen, and we wanted to eat, so it's like 3 for 1. But we finna get some breakfast and get our grub on, and we're gonna talk to y'all in the field. I'll put the
Well, I'll have one bacon.
put the pancakes in.
You hear me? I have one bacon, 2 bacon, and a thin one.
Where, babe?
Up here.
Yeah, probably cooking.
Is there like a lot of people?
All right, this gonna show us what we really need. You put this up top.
Oh, you put that up there?
All right. You got the all right, that's everything, right?
Just put her shoes in there. Step up.
So, Kedis, did you enjoy breakfast in the van?
Yes.
Well, I did too. So, guys, while we're on the road, we're just gonna have some fun just sitting here. Yeah, this is a cool experience. But this is what van life means. Be sure to subscribe.
For those who are new to the channel and this is your first time visiting our channel, that was our son who is on the spectrum. He is autistic and he is 18 years old. Now, for us to even do this van life or camping or doing anything involving this van, we first wanted to make sure that it was okay with him. Due to the space and him having his own thing, you know, having his own space, we wanted it to be comfortable for him and to make sure that it was okay with him first, as well as our daughter. But for him, especially him, knowing that sometimes it can feel overwhelming or he may get overstimulated, we wanted to make sure that he's okay first. And he's perfectly fine. He loves it. He's ready. We do spend a lot of time together as a family, but this is completely different. This is something new for all of us. And just him being in this situation, we wanted to make sure, again, that he enjoy it and that he's going to be okay and he's like ready to go. So that worked out perfect. We wanted to make sure we wanted to eat in here first all together and see how that would go, and it went perfect. And we are almost ready to hit the road. So yeah, excited. Okay, so you guys, we are going to be opening some gifts that we had on our finally made Amazon wish list. It was a lot of requests for our Amazon wish list, and we finally got it up. So I will put that in the description if you guys would like to go over and check it out. But we did already receive some packages from our lovely family. I do not like to call you guys, well, we do not like to call you guys our subscribers. You all join our channel and following us on this journey, so you all are our vanmily, not family, our vanmily. Okay, so we're going to unbox, open, and see who bought us what. And we just want to say we are grateful. Before we even open, we are grateful for each and every one of you to even want to help us out, getting us started, getting us going in this van. We just want to say thank you. Anything you send or do is very much appreciated, and just know that it's not taken for granted. We love each and every one of you, and again, we thank you all for it. All right, let's see what's in this one. Y'all don't mind what I'm cutting it with? All right. Let's see. Okay. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift from Kathleen. How do you say it? Bodrix. Kathleen Bodrix. Thank you so much, Kathleen, for our, let's see what it is. Oh, it's the portable water dispenser. That's what we had in there. And these are the pipes. Yeah, the pipes to go to it, and a charge to charge it. And oh, the little faucet was on there. It's the faucet that goes on it. Okay, thank you so much, Kathleen.
Do it screw in, or how does it work?
Yeah, most likely it do.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, the faucet go right there. Yeah, the tube, like I said, it has a charger go with it too. So ready to give that a try. We got to get our gallon of water.
5 gallon.
5 gallon of water as well to go under our counter here.
Okay, I like that.
And then it has like the little power button. Thank you, Kathleen. Thank you so much. All right. And then the next one we have right here. All right, this is from Hi, wishing you safe travels, start creating those memories, from Amy Ramos.
Amy Ramos.
Amy Ramos. Thank you, Amy.
Thank you so much.
I have a sister named Amy. Beautiful name. Okay. Oh, we got the gas stove.
Uh-oh.
We have the gas one, portable fuel stove, and it comes with the case. Oh man, we're so excited.
Yes. We are foodies, so sleep and eat.
Sleep and eat.
No, but this is what we needed for my wife to prepare meals, like when we were on the inside. So, which it'll be used inside and out, but that Blackstone is too big to be on the inside trying to cook.
Yeah, it just for us out. That's your thing.
This was, the outside kitchen is pretty much mine, and she cooks indoors, so that's why we got the little table right here. for this. So
Yay! And I love like I seen that it came with the case. And I think a butane comes with, is it butane, right?
it's double. It's
Butane.
dual.
Yeah. So it could be butane or propane.
You might open it up to see if it's dual fuel. I mean, I think it take the can or the little 1 pound, the green.
Okay. I'll take this
And
one.
someone mentioned that to do the 20-pound tanks with these, is it 20 pounds? 10 pounds? I'm not sure, but to do the bigger tanks with these, they recommend us using a filter. So I'm gonna have to look. I guess it's this. Okay. I'm gonna have to look and find that filter so we could use a bigger propane tanks on some of our trips. We're actually just getting used to propane.
Yeah.
You know, well, she don't deal with propane at all. But now it's a little better now. But it took me a while to get used to it. Like, I'm fine with cooking out in the open, but inside the van with propane, or even in the back, like, I'm getting used to it. And you know, you gotta have respect for the gas. And we also know that it's, as far as like cooking and heating, propane is going to be, I'm gonna say, less costly than electricity, because some of these stoves, electric stoves, they pull a lot of juice. So these two items are actually for her kitchen. So her indoor kitchen, and I have an outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, that's mainly what something that I wanted.
Yeah.
But you know, you got to show me. Like I said, I've been kind of scared of using propane all my life, to be honest, because you know, I used to see my grandma, you know, turn her stove on and I run away from the kitchen. The food was good, but I was just scared of it. But you know, just having safety precautions, and he have experience kind of with it, so it's okay. But thank you all again so much for getting these for us. Like I said, it was something that we wanted, and you got it for us. I just thank y'all.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed our first time eating inside the van together as a family of 4. It was really special, again, knowing that we have something that we can make memories in this space we can take on the road and just go and just enjoy each other. We thank you guys so much for coming along with us. And if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can join the family. Not family, family. Again, we thank you guys so much for your love, your support, your encouraging words, just saying things that are very encouraging. It means a whole lot to us. And we just are so grateful for you all. We love our community. We love that you all want to see us do better, get on the road, just make memories. And it means a whole lot to us. And we just want to say thank you guys again. We'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe, like I said, and be sure to ring that bell so you know the next video, because I think the next one is going to be very interesting and you may want to stick around for that. All right, we'll see you next one. Peace.